Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a type form for things like the power class, nutrition, and sweatshirt order. So anywhere where we need to get payment up front, type form is something that we use to make it happen. Also, connect to sending us an email and all that kind of thing. So this is typeform.com. So you just go to login. Um, and I sent out the credentials, like the login credentials. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. I think it's getfitnh@gmail.com and then capital boot lowercase camp 2 exclamation mark. So you'll go to somewhere like this is what it will look like. Yours might look a little bit different, but we'll talk about power class first. So you're going to go to other offerings. That's just what it's called from when Adam created it. And then this is from when we did the advanced strength and power class. For the 2022 one. So you'll just go here to the three dots and you're going to duplicate it. And then once you duplicate it, then you can go in and just edit it however you need to. So eventually this will open. We're just going to take out that information and we're going to we'll put it Q1 2023 and then just hit continue. And then, so this is what it will take them to. This is what it looks like for them. They'll go, it'll take them through all these questions. They'll put their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and then this is the part where they're going to pay us, right? So this is really important. So they're going to put in their payment information here, and then so the form's already created for you. You don't actually have to do anything. You just have to duplicate it because we need a fresh form every time. And then the next thing you're going to do is hit publish. And it's important, again, that you hit publish before you do the rest. So this is all good and well that came up. We can X out of that. We don't need it yet. The other thing you can do on this screen is go to this settings and go to notifications. And you want to select notify me and then email notifications on. And then you can X out of all of this and put in all of your email addresses because you're going to want to get an email every time somebody signs up so you know who needs to go into TrueCoach, who needs, whatever information. I can't multitask apparently. Okay. And we'll put me on there too. So everybody gets an email now when somebody fills out this form and pays. Awesome. You want to make sure you hit save that. And then, again, publish. That's what makes it definitely send to you. And then we're going to connect the form. So when you come over here to connect, you're going to connect to a Google Sheet. So you're going to hit connect there. It's going to give you a drop-down option. You can select my name there. And if you need the login, it's the same thing, except it's capital boot, lowercase camp 1 exclamation. We'll allow this. We're going to create a new sheet. We'll put Q1 2023 Power Class, create sheet, activate integration, and then that's when you can share all of this now. So that's all set. You're going to then copy this link. This is your sign up link. So anytime somebody's like, oh, I want to sign up for the power class, it's boom, copy this link, email it to them. Copy this link, message. Copy this link, text them. I'm going to show you what it looks like from a user standpoint. So that's the link. Takes 1 minute and 30 seconds to complete. Let's see. So we're going to hit start. I'm going to put my name here, email address, phone number, and then this is where they put their card information in. I'm not going to do that because I'm not paying $318 for a class I'm not taking. But once they hit submit, boom, that's it. You'll get an email and they are signed up. So that's that. So that part's really important. That's how you create a type form. Now, I'm going to go back in time here for if you're creating one for a nutrition challenge or you're creating one for sweatshirt order, you can use other forms as well. So you just go to S3. This just is where our nutrition stuff is. And same thing, you could just duplicate it and then you can edit it however you see fit. So you just go through the backside here. We're just going to label this test. And you can edit all of these questions also. We might not do that, right? So you could also just delete that question altogether. That's cool too. And the one thing about typeform that's kind of annoying is that you can only do one option as far as like price goes. So if we were doing like a tiered nutrition plan, something where you're like, oh, you could do, $67, you could do, add on, blah, 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 and go $97. You can only do one price on here. So that's kind of annoying. And if we run into issues, or we have other ideas, we can cross that bridge when we get to it. So going back, Tyler, when you do like sweatshirt orders, I'm sure there's one in here somewhere. But if there's not, it's really easy. Oh, there's a shirt one right there. So we can easy peasy duplicate that, and we can just name it. I said duplicate, didn't I? Well, in a perfect world, you can duplicate that, and you can, again, edit all of those things. Again, you can grab the link, email it out, and say, hey, if you forgot to sign up for your sweatshirt, make sure you make it happen here. They can pay right there, or you can just add it to the spreadsheet manually. So anyways, that's how you create a type form. This is going to be very important. This is not something I'm going to do for you guys when it comes to the power class, the nutrition stuff, and the sweatshirt orders. You guys all have those responsibilities. So keep this video so that you know how to do it.